Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase melatonin production in the body. We'll cover simple, effective strategies you can implement starting tonight. Understanding your body's natural rhythms is key to better sleep. By making a few adjustments, you can support your internal clock and improve your sleep quality. Let's dive into the first steps. Optimizing your environment is a powerful way to boost melatonin. Dim the lights in your home in the evening and avoid screens for at least 2 hours before bed. A cool, dark, and quiet bedroom signals to your body that it's time to rest. Conversely, getting plenty of natural light during the day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, preparing you for nighttime melatonin release. Your diet and daily habits play a significant role in melatonin synthesis. Foods containing tryptophan, an amino acid, can be converted into serotonin and then melatonin. Magnesium also supports this process, so include foods like almonds and spinach. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule helps train your body to release melatonin at the right time, promoting consistent, restful sleep. To further enhance your natural melatonin production, integrate calming activities into your evening routine. Gentle stretching or reading can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Remember to avoid stimulants like caffeine and large meals too close to sleep. For a truly restful environment, a clean space helps. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you create your perfect sleep sanctuary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.